एक ऐसे गांव में जहां सपने जीवित रहने के लिए संघर्ष करते थे। एक आदमी रहता था जिसके पास प्रेम के अलावा कुछ नहीं था। She is my world. Who is that girl?
She lives near the banyan tree, sir.
I will give you everything.
I don't want your world.
If not by choice, then by force.
मैं सब कुछ समझा नहीं। मुझे डर लग रहा है।
Stay strong. I will always protect you.
Let me go! Help! Let me go!
I will bring her back. Sir, please, my sister is missing since last night. Come back later. Love turned into war.
Arjun, I'm here.
You're under arrest. तुम अब एक दूसरे के हैं